Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. The students their exams next week. A took. They are taking. If I a bird, I would fly to the sun. A, am. B, was. C, were. She to school every day. A, walk. B, walks. C, walking. They football yesterday evening. A, play. They played. K, playing. By next year, he his degree. A, completes. B, will have completed. C, has completed. The boy is standing near the door is my cousin. A, who, be, whom, key, whose. Neither of the answers correct. A is, B, are, C, were, C, were. I dinner when she called me. A, cooked. B, was cooking. Key, cooks. This book is than that one. A, good. B, better. C, best. She is the student in the class. A, intelligent. B, more intelligent. Come most intelligent. A number of people waiting outside. A is BR, C was. The news very encouraging. A is BR, C were. If it rains tomorrow, we stay at home. A, will, B, would, C, are. I never seen such a beautiful painting. A, has, B, have, C, had. He's homework before dinner yesterday. A, finished. B, was finishing. He, finishes. The pen on the table mine. A is BR, C were, C were. Each of the players a medal. A, get. B, gets. C, getting. Neither John nor his brothers invited. A was, B were, C is. I will call you as soon as I home. A get, B gets, C got. She in New York for 5 years. A lives, they lived. K has lived. The children very excited about the trip. A is BR cheeky, was. We met Monday morning. A Ian, B on, C at. He was born 2002. A in, B on, C at. The train leaves 7 a.m. sharp. A in, B at, C on. She was absent school yesterday. A to, B from, C at. He is married a doctor. A with, B to, C of. She is fond reading novels. A e of, B with, C in. He jumped the river. A into, B in, C onto. We walked the park in the evening. A through, B into, C to. That is the boy bicycle was stolen. A who, B whom, C whose. The person to I spoke was very kind. A who, B whom, C whose. This is the book I was talking about. A that, B who, C whom. The dog barked all night belongs to my neighbor. A that, boom comb whose. If I rich, I would travel the world. A am, B was, C were. If you heat ice, it melts. B melted, key melting. If he had studied harder, he passed the exam. A will, B would have, C would. Unless you work hard, you succeed. A won't, B wouldn't, C don't. I was tired. I went to bed early. A, but, B, so, C. She wanted to go shopping. She had no money. A, but B, so, C, and you can have tea, coffee, A and B, or C, but he runs faster his brother. A, then B, then K to this painting is the feature sive or pawfley of the beautiful. B more beautiful. K most beautiful. She is careful than her sister. A most, B more, C much. He here since morning. A is, B has been, C was. By the time we arrived, the movie Say should be had started. C starts. In him yesterday at the mall. A, C, saw, C. She to Paris 3 times. A has been, B was, C had. They not finished their work yet. A has, B have, C had, C had. While ITV the lights went out. A watch. B was watching. C watched. The teacher asked if we ready. A are, B were, C is. Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.